FOE, nigga. Still. Open eyes can only see the present. A closed heart may never receive a blessing. Can't deceive, this thing is telling. It's called feelings. I just felt that I need a session. FOE in the building, somebody catch a case. Cause if you talk about the forward, niggas catching 8. Man, all headshots, somebody catch his face. I ain't playing with these niggas, get them fucking erased. You got a problem, my nigga, will just speak up. I got dollars, my nigga, I got my heat up. If I ain't living right now, I keep my streets up. And I'm in your hood, my nigga, I kick my feet up. A new girl lost another one after that. I still got books, nigga, in the chapter that. I got a magazine, nigga, for a full clip. But nigga get hit and empty out with that bullshit. Talking about JH, he told me stay great. Always on time, nigga, never stay late. And niggas, they be hating because they fake. They wanna take my rhymes, man. Wanna live in my shoes, couldn't walk in my socks, nigga. Couldn't move where I move, nigga. Couldn't walk where I walk, nigga. Couldn't talk how I talk, nigga. Mad at me, nigga. I can see it in your face. H-A-T-E, I'm the reason why they hate, yeah. See, nigga, I'm feeling myself, nigga. What the fuck is this feeling when I'm on top of that? What the fuck is these niggas? This shit ain't just rap. I was really in a trap. This shit is just facts. Catch me in the hood serving J, trying to dodge him. Nigga got a problem, no 4-5, I got him. Hit him in his head, and now a nigga dead. And D, he locked up, free my cousin, motherfucker. I'm doing over a dozen, motherfucker, and he never told a word. So my niggas selling birds, murk easy. These niggas get murked easy. Chopper, my niggas got chopper and murk season. I got a problem, no nigga, I ain't got a problem. Cause every problem that I got, man, fuck it, solve it. For the stress, nigga, I keep roll up success, niggas couldn't fuck with me cause I'm the best, nigga. And I'm looking in the mirror and that's all I fear is myself, nigga. You need some help, nigga. I did this CD, never on the shelf, nigga. Cause if I sell them going platinum, I'm in the shelf, nigga. Every day that I fuck with it's a freestyle. I gave it for free, so now you got T-style. FOE, these niggas got 4 style. Niggas getting more, motherfucker, getting more powers, and I ain't even done. I'm hotter than the sun. Still, motherfucker, I am hotter than the sun. I go stronger than my last name, nigga. FOE on everything that I claim, nigga. It bleeds through my soul and in my veins, nigga. Smoking on the best, that's in my strain, nigga. And this is just my life and this is my pain, nigga. And niggas send shots and this is my reign, nigga. Yeah, never cried and never tell a lie. And right now, if I die, I hope my niggas fly. Yeah.